Excel in your annual exam with target standard 11 arts notes for Maths 1 and 2, Economics and English. Updated as per the latest Maharashtra board syllabus and paper pattern, the notes have exam-like answers to all textbook questions. Get all that you need to ace mathematics, such as concise theory, solve textbook exercises, and additional practice problems. Gear up for the upcoming entrance exams with Competitive Corner. For your understanding and concept videos will help you gain conceptual clarity on economics topics. Know how concepts apply in the real world with Gyan-Guru. Upgrade your prep with smart study tools such as Smart Code and Smart Recap. To facilitate systematic preparation, the English Yuvakbharati notes have passage and extract-wise segregation of all chapters and poems. Master your language skills with grammar and writing skills with simple explanation and solved examples. Train to solve out-of-textbook questions confidently with unseen passages. Choose target, choose excellence.